Hey there, it's Corey again, and welcome to Part 5, Voiding Warranties. In this demonstration, I am showing you how to take apart the GTX 480 video card, removing the stock heatsink and replacing it with a Danger Den water block. Not only once, but twice. Danger Den has a few videos. They have a video on each of their video cards and water blocks and how to disassemble them. Absolutely incredibly useful videos to watch. Once again, I recommend watching them more than once. There is also instructions that do come with the water blocks. They are incredibly useful as well, but watching the video, watching somebody take these apart, it can be a little bit frustrating at times. You don't want to pull it apart and break something. They are robust pieces of equipment. They can handle a little bit of handling, but when you are trying to pull off like the heat sink like I just did, it doesn't want to come off because it's got a suction adhesion to the CPU, and even though you have the bolts taken off, it still feels like it's going to break something. Here's a two-part cleaner. Be very thorough and clean every single chip that is specified in the instructions. You can deduce from taking it off what parts need to be cleaned. Make sure they are thoroughly clean. The CPU, take extra time to make sure it's clean. It is a little bit of a pain to get taken off, all the thermal paste. But if you do soak it with a few drops for 5 minutes, it will make it less difficult to remove. This is a two-step process. Step 1 is to remove thermal paste. Step 2 is to clean all the surfaces to make ready for the new thermal paste when you place it down. Here I am showing how to place the thermal tape on certain parts of the graphics board. I am using a grain of rice size for each individual chips that I'm using, and multiple little dots for the CPU to cover with thermal paste. In other videos that you will probably run into, it is a good idea to place it, tighten it down, make sure it's all set, loosen it, remove it, and see at what state your thermal paste is covering the chipset. Too little will not conduct thermal heat. Too much will prevent thermal heat from being transferred through to the water block. As you see, not all the thermal paste on the chips were distributed properly and evenly. Now is a good time just to touch up those spots and make sure they have enough thermal paste to cover it. Do not add too much, as you'll have overflow and it just creates a mess. Once everything is fastened, you can comfortably put on the barbs onto the water block itself. These are 1/2 inch outs G1/4 is the thread. Here is the suggested, or one way of putting an SLI video card into your water loop. You can use the solid steel shaft or tube. I decided to use a clear UV reactive tube just to show off water and copper. And here you have it. Here is the final graphics card with the Danger Den water block on it. It weighs 3 pounds, so we're placing it into the onto the motherboard. Make sure it's securely fastened. Here's the final setup as it sits in my computer now. Thanks for watching. More to come.